To turn this dial anti-clockwise 4 to 6 times, 5, and that's 6 times. Acceleration wise, seems to be something there. It's smoother between the gears, it doesn't seem to lull so much. The instructions say to turn this tiny little screw here anti-clockwise or counterclockwise 4 to 6 times. That's what I'm going to do. So that's 1, put a little green mark there so I know where I am. 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 6 times. So going counterclockwise or anti-clockwise is supposed to give you a little bit more power, and obviously the other way decreases the power. So I'm going to give that a go, see how it goes. Alright, let's see. So let's go and see if there's any difference in the performance. So let's see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what the response is off the mark. Acceleration wise, there seems to be something there. What I would say, going between the gears and where the gears would normally dip and then you change gear and then you pick up again, it's smoother between the gears. It doesn't seem to lull so much, it doesn't dip, and there seems to be more momentum. It's got more fluidity. So I'm in 4th gear, I'm doing 2000 revs, which normally if you put your foot down it wouldn't really give you much in the way of acceleration, but yeah, it seems to gain more speed now. It doesn't seem to have as much hesitation. It's definitely an improvement. So I potentially could adjust it now another 6 turns anti-clockwise and see where that goes, but feedback I'm getting is it doesn't feel quite as slow to pick up. The pickup's faster. I don't seem to have to put my pedal down as much on the throttle. So all in all, pretty positive. I get a feeling that I don't have to press the throttle down quite as much. I'm in 2nd gear now. I'm sitting at around about 2,500 revs, and if I put my foot down, yeah, I notice it. So what I'm going to do is I've turned the dial basically 6 times in counterclockwise direction. The instruction says that will give you more power. Do six times at each moment that you try it. Drive it around, see how it goes, and then if you find that there's no increase in power or it's not significant enough, then do another 6 times. And importantly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record the dates and the number of turns that I did, so that if I ever want to go back to where I was, then I know that I need to turn it 6 times in the clockwise position, or if I've done this twice, obviously 12 times in the clockwise position, and that'll get it back to where it was from factory. So I'm going to drive around, see how it goes, and I'll report back. Bye for now.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.